Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to join the Redbubble affiliate program in 2025 and start earning money by promoting Redbubble products. It is free, beginner friendly and works even if you don't create your own designs. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for this link, that is redbubble.com/affiliate program. I will also put the link of it down in the description so that you could come here and apply for it. Now, once you are on this page, you need to click on the join via Impact and it will redirect you on the impact.com account. Now, impact.com is a marketplace where you will see a bunch of different affiliate partners. So if you have an account on Impact, you just have to simply log in into your account and then you can apply for Redbubble separately. Or if you don't have an account, you need to first of all sign up for it. So here click on the sign up option. Then you need to first of all agree to the contract. So you need to just scroll down and click on the accept option. Now it is going to ask you to sign up with the help of your email, or if you already have the Impact account, you need to just simply do that. So select any of the options over here. For example, let's say I'm going to click on my Google account. Then after selecting the email, you need to press continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So once you are able to sign up on impact.com, you will see a form which you need to fill out with the help of your basic details like your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, etc. Once it is done, you need to select the submit option and your application will be in the review. After approval, you will get your affiliate link, and from the dashboard you can just simply get that, and whenever you share that link with someone and whenever anyone purchased, you are going to get the commission in your Impact account and you can withdraw that money from there as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.